Hello there, my friends, and welcome to this LeadsLeap Pro video. I am the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, sharing with you simple ways for you to earn our passive income online. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember, smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be showing you how to drive targeted traffic to your websites on autopilot, especially if you are a LeadsLeap Pro member. As a LeadsLeap Pro member, you can actually set up your back office in such a way that you always have traffic going to your websites. So what do you need to do? The first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and set up at least 5 pro ads. Forget that. You need to set up 10 pro ads, no doubt about that. How do you do that? You would have got an email from admin that looks like this. And before there were links in the email at every step, but there isn't now, never mind. You need to go into your LeadsLeap back office, go to Post Pro Ads, and here you can go here and add new ad. And once you add a new ad, it's going to look like this. Then go ahead and put the link where you want the ad to go, catchy title, description, add an image, choose what category your ad best fits in, and then ad type and hit submit. So you need to do this for your if you're a pro member, otherwise you're just leaving traffic on the table, right? So what you can do is you can promote 10 different offers, or you can promote the same offer different ways. So I'm actually only promoting 2 offers here. So I have 5 ads for one offer and 5 for another. So it's up to you what you want to do, right? Next, you should actually set up credit ads too. And again, with credit ads, you can set them up as a free member. So where you go to advertising, post credit ads, and then go click add new, and it's exact same process. Now the difference is, as a pro ad member, these ads just run on autopilot. However, as a credit ad, what you'd have to do is you'd have to view other ads in return for views to your site. So here, when you log into your back office, there's always going to be ads for you to surf and earn. So you just go ahead and click the ad right there, and then go ahead and watch the ad. Now with LeadsLeap, you can view the ad for as long as you want. There's no time or anything. The longer you view it for, the more credits you earn, right? So make sure you set up your credit ads as well. Next, just provide value in your ads. And then the next thing, submit social reviews. Make sure you do this, guys. To do that, go over to reviews here, and then you just go my reviews, and then add a new review. And once you do that, your review will appear here under read review, where not only LeadsLeap members can see them from the back office, they could actually appear outside LeadsLeap as well through search engine and through different widgets as well. So make sure you when you have a program, go ahead and write a review. And then here you can monetize your pay-per-click program. I'm not actually going to go into that. I want to focus on what you need to do to make sure that you get traffic to your offer, right? And then here, build your own list and help others build theirs. This is powerful. This is important, because what you should do as well is you should come in here and go to followers and write message followers. So you should come in here and write your message. So you see here, I have a message here. And what happens is, as you start to build your list, share this with other people, and they start to build the list, when those people who are in your network 10 levels deep, right, when they go into the back office, they will be able to see your message. Just like, let me show you somewhere. There should be somewhere where there's a message here. I don't see it, but there's usually one. So let me see here. There's none here as well. There's usually a message from somebody who I'm in their downline. Otherwise, yeah, go ahead and share this as well. If you want to share this, you could earn a recurring commission as both a free member and a paid member as well. If you are not a member of LeadsLeap yet and you're looking for a free all-in-one marketing system that you can use to build your business, go ahead and click the link in the description, create a free account, check this out. As a marketer, you should have a marketing system that you're using to build your business. And if you have any questions and you want to reach out to me, not only is this link in the description, there's a link to my virtual business card where you can go ahead and reach out to me, the different social networking platforms, my email, my phone number, and you want to see what else I'm doing, you can go ahead and check it out here. You can even schedule a meeting here with me as well. Otherwise, if you found value, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.